Online, I am Mohammed Asghar, teacher of mathematics, Lagos School System, Digna. How are you, student? Today we will discuss about the logarithm of a number. When we say that log of any number, we mean to say that power of 10. Every real number can be written in the form of power of 10, and this power of 10 is called log of that number. Sometimes this power may be in a whole number, and sometimes this may be in a decimal number. That is why we say that log of any number consists of two numbers. First is whole number, which is called characteristic, and second is decimal part, which is called mantissa. Characteristic of any number is the number of digits between point of reference and decimal point, while decimal part, which is called mantissa is always given at the last of book. For example, when we say that we have to find log of 100, we have to write the number in the power of 10. It means log of 10, log of 100 means we have to write 10. We have to write a number in the power of 10. How many times 10 is multiplied to get 100? Obviously, it is 2. When 10 is multiplied by 10, we mean 100. 10. How many times 10 is multiplied to get 100? Obviously, it is 2 times. 2 times 10 raised power 2 is equal to 100. Mean 2, which is index, which is power. 2 is the log of 100 to the base 10. When any real number can be written in the form of power of 10, then this power of 10 is called log of that number. We say that index, that power is called logarithm of this 100 to the base 10. We write 2 is the log of 100 to the base 10. Okay, student? Similarly, if we have to find the log of 16 to the base 2, here we have to write the 16 as the power of 2. How many times 2 is multiplied to get 16? Obviously, it is 4 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, which become 16. We can write also 2 raised power 4 is equal to 16. Hence, this index of 2, which is 4, hence we say that 4 is the log of 16 to the base 2, and we write 2 is equal to log of 16 to the base 2. Normally, it is called common log. When we write any number as the power of 10, this 10, which is base, it is called base of log, which is always equal to 10. Base of common log is always equal to 10. When we have to find the log of any number, we have to write it in the power of 10, and this power of 10 is called logarithm of that number. We try to understand this by another example. For example, log of 100 2 is equal to log of 100 to the base 10. So we have to find the log of a number which is between 100 and 1000. We have to find a number, log of any number which is between 100 and 1000. For example, when we solve this, we write 10 raised power 2 is equal to 100, and when we write 1000, we write 10 raised power 3 is equal to 1000. It means log of 100, which is 2, and log of 1000, which is 3. We have to find a log of a number which is between 10, which is between 100 and 1000. For example, we say that we have to find the log of 890. 890. We know that a number 890 is between 100 and 1000, and its log must be between 2 and 3. 2 and 3. When we raise 10 to 2, we get 100, and when we raise 10 to 3, we get 1000. We have to find the power of 10 to obtain 890, which is obviously the number which is between 2 and 3. For example, we write 10 raised power 3, we get 1000, which is greater than 890. Hence, we have to give the power 10 less than 3. For example, we say 2.9493. At this power, we will get number 890. When we raise 10 to the power 2.9493, we will get 890, and we say that 2.9493 will be the log of 890 to the base 10. Hence, we say that log of any number is the power of 10, and this power is called logarithm of that number. This power may be sometime in a whole number, and sometime it may be a whole number with a decimal part too. Decimal part is called mantissa, and characteristic whole number. ये whole number is called characteristic, and characteristic of any number, for example, 235.356. Okay. For example, we have to find the characteristic of this number. First of all, from left side, from right side, we left first number 6. We write it from, for example, we write 2335.6 to find its characteristic. First of all, we have to left first number, non-zero digit. We have to left non-zero digit from left side. We have to left first non-zero digit from left. Here we put this sign. This sign stands for point of reference. This will be the point of reference. This is this position after lefting first non-zero digit from left, which is 2. After 2, we move 2 forward, and here is a point, decimal point. How many numbers between decimal point and point of reference? There are 2, and hence its characteristic is 2. Characteristic of any number is the number of digits between point of reference and decimal point. Okay, its characteristic is positive 2, and when this decimal point is left to the reference point, its characteristic will be negative. We discuss about mantissa. Mantissa is a decimal part. In this example, 2 is the characteristic and 0.9493 will be the mantissa. Mantissa is always given at the last of the book in tabular form. Okay, hence we say that log of any number consists of 2 digits, first whole number and second decimal part. When we sum these 2 numbers, we get log of a number. Characteristic plus mantissa gives the log of complete. And this example, we see that when we write, we have to find log of 890. We write it 10 raised power. How many times 10 is multiplied to get 890? It's obviously 2.9493. Hence we say that 2.9493 is the log of 890. Okay, student, we know, try to understand with another example or log. Terminology. For example, x raised power 2 is equal to y. In this terminology, we say that Why we say that? We know power index is always a log of a number. We say that 2 is the log of y to the base x. We read as 2 is the log of y to the base x. In common log, base is always equal to 10, and for this case our base is x. We read as 2 is the log of y to the base x. This will be the logarithmic form, and this will be the exponent form. We must know about exponent form and also logarithmic form. This will be the logarithmic form and this will be the exponent form. We now find log of a number. We have to find log of 890. Okay, student, 890. Log of 890 is equal to, first of all, we write characteristic plus mantissa. Characteristic plus mantissa. What is characteristic? Characteristic is the number of digits between point of reference and decimal point. Where is its point of reference? Point of reference is always start from left side after leaving first non-zero digit, which is 8. We put here this sign, and this sign indicates for point of reference. Its decimal point will be at the end. Now we say that 2 digits between point of reference and point decimal point. Its characteristic will be 2 plus mantissa. To find out mantissa, we take the help of logarithmic table. Mantissa is always given at the last of book in tabular form, and mantissa will be, we see 2 digit 89 in 0 column. We will get 9493, and when we add them we get 2.9493, which will be the log of 890 to the base 10. Log of 890 equal to 2.9493. Okay, friend, thank you.